just like, come on. But so, okay, news feed, just your standard upload a post, a video post. That's number one. That's what everybody knows about. And of course, be savvy and save a good video. Like, who am I? A quick little video, maybe like a minute,
Yeah.
even less if you can, and think about profile videos were 30 seconds for a reason. So
Yes.
do a short video introducing yourself and get that on your featured section. That's awesome. That's awesome. Another place, and Karen Tisdale, our common friend,
Yes.
she does this where she has a work with what it's like working with me, which she does on YouTube and saves it as a media link on her featured section. So knowing that you can do external videos can also go in your featured section. So that's another thing. Even in your experiences, you can put little video media links and stuff like that, which is another good one. And then company pages, of course, we talked about that. But then here's the cream of the crop: private videos in your DMs. I do this all the time. This to me is the best place to be starting with video, especially if you're nervous, And for anybody who is really nervous about doing video and wants to kind of just get their a toe in the water. Use LinkedIn's video coaching tool. It's for job hunters. And you go to the jobs tab. Yes. It's like brain explosion. It's amazing. So you go to the jobs tab, and there's a thing called interview prep. I believe it's on the left side of the screen. Interview prep. And then these are common interview questions that you would have if you're looking for a job. So it's excellent for job seekers, of course, but we can use it too. Anybody can use it. And they're common questions. So think of them as like video practice prompts. So it might be, what's your greatest strength? And you use LinkedIn's inbound, you just click it and record your response, and it gives you all sorts of feedback. Did you talk too fast? Did you use a lot of filler words? It does a little bit of stuff. Yeah, it's amazing.
I did not know about this.
And then here's one step further. If you're working, you can send your video to somebody in a DM and ask them for advice. How did it sound? LinkedIn even does the message for you. So I could go in there, Louise. I could make a video. I could do a practice one, and then I could click, send it to you. And then it says, hi, I'm practicing my job interviews or blah, 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 blah. Can you give me some feedback? I didn't even have to type it. And then you see it. And then if I decide later, I don't want Louise to see that, I can actually pull it back. So I can get rid of it. So, and you can't go anywhere with it. It's not like you can say, I'm going to share it to the world. It doesn't happen like that. So yeah, that's a fabulous tool. But then just your regular videos too on your phone, like just using those in the DMs is good. And then the last special secret place is embedded in an article. I do that all the time. That's great.